So in this video, we're going to look at how to evaluate exponential functions using TI-inspired CX2. So first thing we want to do is open up our Scratchpad for calculate. So let's look at, we want to evaluate 6,000 times 1.025 to the 168. So what we would do is first, it's obviously 6,000, then times. Now our base, which was 1.025, now raised to our power, so we're going to use this little caret key over here, and then we'll type in the power, 168, and then we can just hit enter, and there's our value. All right, so again, for instance, if I wanted, let's say, 2 to the 20th, there it is. For the E key, let's go ahead and calculate 6,000 E to the 4.2. So again, we start with the obvious 6,000 times. Now we want E, and you never want to use the approximation for E. You always just want to use the E key on your calculator, which is right here, the E to the X. We just click that, and it's going to ask for a power, 4.2, then if we hit enter, okay, good. So because this was a decimal, it's going to give us our value. But what happens if I just do E to the 9? Well, notice that's going to spit it back out because it's giving me an exact value. There are two ways to go about this if you want the approximation. We can do E to the 9, then hit Control, Enter, and that'll give an approximation. Or as we saw up here, just enter a decimal somewhere. So E to the 9, and I can just put in a decimal point and then hit Enter, and it spits out the approximation as well. So that concludes this video on using the TI-inspired CX2 to evaluate exponentials.